Dunga Beach. Guys, today we're going to learn about entries and exit. So allow me to share the link so that we can get people on board. Yeah. So let's give them time to join. Let's give people time to join. Me mas. They call me Charlie. Everybody must chop breakfast, collect money, must chop pay back, I got no money. After many red. Guys, everybody must chop breakfast, collect money, must chop pay back, I got no money. Me mas. People joining. Guys, people are joining. Make your mother proud, guys. Do Forex and make them proud. Pride, proud. Well, people not joining, huh? Let me share. We are live right now. Guys, say me mas. Oh, me mas say. Everybody must chop breakfast, collect money, must chop pay back, I got no money. After many red, I got paid them back. The more body for shiny fucking room, they deliver for me. When you talking money, then you talking voltage. My body electric, they shock me. That to put it in the nightclub. If 21 make it loud. Guys, let me entertain you as people are joining. Everybody must chop breakfast, collect money, must chop pay back, I got no money. So guys, as we wait for them, almost there, only 2 people remaining. Kindly elaborate on the plans you had for direct or pool copy trading from South Africa. Guys, I gave a link for that. Let me post the link right now. Hey, that's the pool trading. Yeah, you can get your own people. You don't have to copy anyone. That's the best part. So let me I will put in the link right now. Yeah. So you can create an account where I've pinned, and then once you have done that and you deposit, you can DM me. I will show you how to do that. Hatukujua uko na talent ya kudance. Yeah, I'm very talented in dancing. So guys, we do this. Let me take you to the board, sindio? Moto iko aje? Moto iko 83%. We can do this. So today we are learning about entries and exit. Remember yesterday we learned how to identify the trend. Now today we are going to know where to enter and where to exit. Ni sawa? Let me take you to the board. Karibuni sana. Watu wangu ya diaspora naona salama sana. Karibu sana. Leo jua ni mingi, sijui kama mtaona. Guys, can you see with the board? Yeah. Entries and exit. Everything okay? Let me just look in my phone so that I confirm everything is fine. Okay. So let me join with my phone, the live, so I can see everything as it is. Alright, let's get started. Entries and exit. Let me take the marker pen. Entries and exit. Entries. Entries and exit. Okay. Entries and exit. Yes. Volume kiasi, mambo ni ulai. Wacha nifunge mlango. Guys, a minute nifunge mlango. I'll close the door so less noise. Yeah. Perfect. We can continue now. Okay. So yesterday we talked about identifying the trend and where we should be buying. We agreed buy on the higher low. Okay. Now what will make you know we are on the higher low? That's the question. How to identify an entry? Okay. So we basically agreed. Let me just note down. Buy on higher low. Sell on we have higher low and lower high. Sell on lower high. So basically, if we are going uptrend, you buy here. If we are going downtrend, you can always go back and confirm, you sell here. But when we come to the market real scenario, you might have a problem identifying this zone. And you might have a problem identifying that zone. True or false? True. Okay. Now what do we do? What do we do to identify where we are going to enter and exit? One thing we have to know, okay, is something we call rejection. Rejection will tell us whether, remember, this market is going up, then down. So here, for us to know we are the higher low, you want to see rejection. So is equals to what I've marked like this. This is what we want to see. Okay, so here is break of structure. Remember BOS, yesterday we learned about it. So we want to see rejection. Okay, hope everything is going correctly. Echo, but I've shut down my door. The house is so big, man. Okay, if we are okay, let's continue. True, hapo sasa. Haya, so I will tell you different types of rejection. And I will teach you also how to trade. There are some people, like in South Africa, people trade only rejection. You understand? You can trade only rejection. So trading rejection by itself is a strategy, but it's good if you combine with this one. You understand? So hope you have understood me up to that point. I've marked rejection like this. So how does a rejection look like in the real market scenario? Basically, in the rejection will look like this. That's a downside rejection. Okay. These are wicks. Don't know if I'm doing correctly. These are wicks. This is a wick, this is a wick. Now, this is what we call rejection candlesticks. So, if a market starts changing the direction, and especially gold, you will see rejection. You will see it better in there. So, if you are writing down, yeah, wait for the market to go up or down aggressively on 15 minutes time frame. If you're writing, you can note this down. Yeah. Wait for the market to go up or down aggressively on 15 minutes or 1 hour chart. Then wait for the market to give you rejection. Then take a buy or sell trade. If the market goes down aggressively, then you give a rejection spike downward, then take. So basically, let's say you want to trade rejection of a sell. Okay, so if you are trading a sell, the market will be going up. You go the opposite. If your rejection happens to show the opposite direction, right? So because remember, let me write here. Remember, we are going this way. We are buying. Then we want to see rejection so that we can know it's our higher low, and then we buy. Senior, in a break of structure. So basically, you will see candlesticks going down like this. Yeah, candlesticks. Now, rejection means you will start seeing candlesticks like this. That's a candlestick, this is a candlestick. You want to see candlesticks doing this. These are rejection candlesticks. So this shows you rejection. The price is rejecting this zone. The price is rejecting going below this zone. This is the higher low. You understand? So if you start seeing the market doing things like this, so this the upside, it should be lower,
and the upside is high. You see? Now these are what we call rejection. Price is trying to go. So wicks are this part of the candlestick. The market is trying to go downwards, but it's something is pulling it back. Yeah, that's what we call rejection. You understand? Okay, we continue. That's one thing to tell yourself whether you are trading rejection. So basically, the moment you see this, you take your trade around. So you wait for the biggest candlestick like this one. It's called a pin bar candlestick. We'll get to that, don't worry. Okay. The moment this happens, you will start seeing candlesticks now doing this, telling you we are back on buys. Okay, it starts seeing something like that. So if this happens, and then you see something like, and then again, up, up, up. So what is the market telling you about this zone? Is a rejection. The market doesn't want to go below this zone. So you take your buy here. You can use this candlestick, but it's good you take your buy here. Stop loss below this. Stop loss below the lowest rejection point. Are you seeing the board clearly? Yes. Tell me if you're seeing the board clearly. So guys, is everything okay? So I have pinned the broker link. I appreciate Mwangi what you are saying there. Okay. So everything is clear? Yes. So we get to see the real type of rejection in the real market. Sindio? Wacha nisiwafunze vitu mingi mpotee. So let me show you rejection in the real market, how it looks like. Yes? Yes, I can make that class as simple as that, and you understand. Now, oh my God, gold has started this process of buying. Hope you can all see my screen. Oh, I'm sharing my screen, you can see it. So let's look at rejection. So these are what we call rejection. You see? You see? These parts, these are what we call rejection. Understand? Let's go to 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute is not clear. Guys, this thing, hope it comes to around here. Hapa. Gold imeanza safari yake leo asubuhi, guys, after a very long night of not moving. So basically, sorry for I've started analyzing the market instead of showing you rejection. But let me finish analyzing. Okay, so basically, let's take an example of this place. Everywhere the market has gone the opposite direction. You can see it was buying, rejection, sell. It was buying, rejection, sell, rejection, sell, rejection, sell, rejection, sell, and so on. But now let's look at when the market is buying, because we are trading where we will see the higher low. Okay. So you can see even right now, before it happened, you saw the wicks. It throws out wicks. Okay. Then you will see green candle becoming bigger than the red candlestick. So I hope you're noting down. You will start seeing wicks, and then after seeing wicks, the green candlestick will be bigger than the red candlestick. Okay, that is clear confirmation of look here, guys. Look. We have rejection, and then this candlestick appeared to be bigger than this red one. Okay, so I was expecting you to take your sell or take your buy, like you draw with the candlestick like that, and you take your buy. Okay, let's go. This was so quick so that I cannot use that. You can see pin bars always. You see, look at this entry that I took myself. Okay, look at this, and I gave it for free yesterday. Okay, let's use the 1 minute so that it's clear. Come on. Okay, let's use the 5 minutes because I don't want to keep extending it. So guys, you can see this is a trade I took yesterday and I gave it for free. So let's delete that and delete that. Okay, so we have seen rejection. Let me go for the 1 minute, because here I saw rejection in the 1 minute time frame. I'm explaining myself all this time and you're not seeing my screen. Or let's see, I have to scroll back if I want to see that in 1 minute. You see, guys, you start seeing rejection, and then huge green candlestick. What does that tell you? We are on an uptrend, and I gave it for free everywhere here. Let's see in the Telegram. That's when I told you buy. Understand, guys? I'm trying to bring back the. Come on. You see? So it's called engulfing candlestick. I don't know if I'm confusing you guys, because once you see the rejection, you don't take the trade because of the rejection, you take it because of the engulfing candlestick. Nimewapoteza? Haya, acha tuone example ingine. Nisiwapoteze. Okay, this is a trade I gave in the VIP. And this was during FOMC. Yeah, you see all this rejection candlestick. Remember, we were buying. See, we buy. Now the market wants to do a higher low. Okay, but you don't know if the higher low will come here, but you start seeing rejection. But this time I'm using 1 minute, so 1 minute time frame, because so the rejection are so clear. You see, you start seeing rejection. Okay, you see the candlestick I was telling you, nobody, just candlestick. You understand? That shows you strong rejection, and then you see a huge green candlestick. Okay, so you buy. You see, I gave the buy here. I was supposed to enter here. Remember, I'm using the 1 minute time frame. No wonder it's easier for me. But if I tap here 1 minute time frame, we have to scroll so back. So I mean backwards so much. Okay. Another case here it is. Okay, the market has been selling. Sell, you see, it made a higher low, so you are expecting to make I made a lower low, you're expecting a higher low, but you don't know if it will come here, or anywhere. So what you want to see is rejection. You want to see rejection Okay, so gold has been touched. You see rejection, 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 and then this red candlestick. You understand? Then this red candlestick. Okay, so you take your buy, your sell like this red candlestick, take it, stop loss just above, and that's your trade. Understand? Okay, 1:2 RR, very good. Okay, this was so quick that I was not able to get it. So you see, sometimes it doesn't work like that because, example, I saw rejection, rejection, but I did not see a huge green candlestick, but I still took the trade. You see, no huge green candlestick. You see, no wonder my trade lost. So it's part of the. It's not that every. You see, trading is about winning consistently. It's not winning about winning today. It's about winning. So I cannot tell you that there is a strategy that works 100%. So you can see I just lost a trade there. Okay, and we continue. Let's look at another trade that I took. Yes, here. Okay, there's many confluences that we will learn along the way. So it's rejection is not only the confluence. This is one of the many confluences you will use. Okay, so let me see what you guys are saying because I've talked a lot and I don't know if you guys are understanding me. Trying your longer week strategy and gold sold nicely. Wow. Let's see right now. Let's see how gold is doing. Okay, so if we want to trade right now gold and we want to know because it's buying, yes, it's buying, guys. You see, gold is buying, right? Anyone, everyone has agreed it's buying. It has made a higher high. So when will it make the higher low? We want to see a candlestick like this one, okay, and then a huge green candlestick. Then we take our buy. Like right now, I can take my buy, but it's moving quickly. Where should be our stop loss be? Below this. So let's give it time. At least we have seen rejection. So guys, I'll tell you the secret of trading. Don't be afraid to lose. Okay. So let me put my stop loss here. If you hear the bell, just know I'm stopped out. You pray for me. But basically, that's how we do it. You know, you have seen, I've not even analyzed. Jesus Christ, don't take me out, man. It's very early in the game. At least let me show my student it works. Okay. So let's pray that I don't get stopped out. Yeah. The XY is buying, so gold should be selling. These things should be going opposite direction, guys. You see, like same thing. Rejection, rejection, then huge green candle telling you we are buying. Nebs, we are buying the XY. Okay, so we should be selling gold, but it's not obviously always the case. Okay, but I hope you get the thing I'm trying to explain. Okay, with that, ask your questions. We have learned about rejection and entries. When there is rejection and you see a long red candlestick, should someone sell or buy? So it's let me show you. Right now we are buying. We want to see rejection from the sellers. and strength from the buyers. Let's go back to the chart, to our table. Okay. If you hear a bell, just know I've been stopped out and there's brain man. I've lost a lot of money yesterday and today. So, if you want to buy, should I rub it all? Okay. So, if you are buying scenario, let me write buying scenario. You want to see sell, rejection, and buy strength. Buy strength. You understand? So these are sell, 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 and then buys. Buys have this. Let's say buys have that thing inside. So you can always replay the video if you feel you're missing out. Okay. So is equals to sell is equals to buy. So if this, you see the cell has started rejecting, it has started getting smaller. And the red, when the candlesticks are getting smaller, you want to see the opposite side direction or the opposite candlestick becoming bigger. You understand? You understand, guys? This candlestick is becoming smaller. This one is becoming bigger. Meaning, it's like they are doing pulling. What is it called that the guy is pulling? Not money heist. Squid Game. You saw that time they were pulling this way, pulling this way. So basically, the market is about buyers and sellers fighting. What is it called? Someone is asking if we should take our buys right now, and I've already taken mine, and I'm praying here it doesn't hit my stop loss. You see, you don't want to. It's like this. They are pulling. Tug of war. Thank you. Now, so if the buyers are winning, their candlesticks are becoming bigger. And if the sellers are losing, their candlesticks become smaller. So you see the rejections, you want to see bigger candles on the buys so that you can take your buy. You understand? And it's good if you can use the 15 minutes time frame, the 5 minutes. The 1 minute then dangerous, but I just took that trade to try demonstrate it to you. I lose money, yes. I lose money for copy trading, yes, but it's good. It was the risk, because I'm teaching you something that is there. Selling scenario, it's actually the opposite. I don't see the need of doing a sell scenario. Just do the opposite. If you are selling, you want the buyers to become smaller and the sellers becoming huge. You understand? You understand? I think today's class was good. Oh my God! Someone just said it's selling. Oh my God! My stop loss. Oh my God! I've just hit my stop loss. Okay, you are about to be liquidated. Yes, I see that. It's called tug of war. Thank you. So, guys, tell me what I've not mentioned. Okay, let's go through anything that I was not clear. Any question that I need to clarify? Clarify something for me. I have learned differently. Is a rejection candle an order block? No. So basically, an order block. Remember, an order block is from the other side, and it's from the other side, and you draw a very huge rectangle to this side, right? So you use rejection to understand if your order block is valid or not. Okay. So you understand? So Jay tell us, Jay is giving a very good insight about the market, and I love that. 27.95, 27.95, 27. So gold is probably coming here from what the guy is saying. So we'll risk another buy there. So guys, I've just lost money trying to show you this thing. But basically, that's how it works. Yeah. What else I've not mentioned? So it's not the same because remember, order block you pull it from the other side, and if the market comes there, it bounces. You know. Now, if it comes here and you see the buyers are having strength, remember it's not valid. You have to check for the rejection in your zone. That's why we said it's more of a confluence. Let's say there's a rejection candle for a buying zone, or a sell zone. What should you do? I've mentioned you see the rejection, okay? You see something we call engulfing candlestick. Okay, the engulfing candlestick is the bigger candle of the opposite direction and the small candle of the, like tag of war. If you want to buy, you want to see buyer candle becoming huge. If you want to sell, you want the sell. The moment it closes, you take your trade, your stop loss should be below the small candlestick, just like I've done with gold. And any minute right now, I might be going on a loss, but it's okay. What lot should a beginner use, guys? Okay, just stay tuned if you missed out on my classes about lot size. It's calculated. This is the mentorship you are doing. If you want paid one-on-one, you DM me. Clarify account size and lots to take when trading. So guys, lots are not guessed normally. Lots are calculated. But now the problem is you can't calculate until you know what you're doing. So head over to Wealth Hub FX Global. Are you seeing my screen? So you go to Wealth Hub FX Global and do Forex calculators. Okay. You go to Wealth Hub FX Global. Don't go to this one, other one. It's scam. Go to Wealth Hub FX Global. Okay. You see Forex lot size calculator. You put your balance here. Let's say you have $100. Are you seeing my screen, guys? Yeah, I love doing scalping. Is good if you want quick money. Risk percentage, EG2, you want for maybe you want to risk 10%. What's your stop loss? Pips. You calculate, you measure your stop loss pips, you tap maybe 120. You tap, calculate. Recommended, you see, recommended lot size is 0.01. Always verify with your broker's specification. Now, the reason it's telling you always verify with your broker specification is because some brokers you lose 0.01 and end up losing more. So let's say we use $1,000 because of the spread. It's normal, not normal spread. Understand, guys? So if you have $1,000 balance and you're risking 10% and you are trading here, you can use, maybe you are trading gold. You see, so USD. You have the over to the FX. Okay, tap calculate. It will tell you recommended lot size is 0.83. Understand? Very simple. So if you're a beginner, always come to Weather FX Global, tap the lot size calculator, put your balance, put whatever amount you want to risk, and it will calculate the lot size for you. So if you see someone guessing lot size, you opening 10 positions, it should always be calculated. You don't guess. I saw a value fair gap, and the market seems to be bearish on gold. Tell us about order block. That we will learn with time because it's a topic that the way we have done. Let me ask, in an order block, do we look at body or wicks? When you are doing, if you are drawing an order block and you say you are drawing with the wicks, it can be challenging because your key box can be so huge. And if you draw with the body only, the market might try to take out the wick like that way. I've just been taken out. But these things want to send me home. Is there a specific time when someone should trade? Please help me understand. Yes, I taught about the session in our class. I think you are not there. You can see. Yeah. Like right now, we are supposed to trade right now. We'll trade. Oh, I mean, yes. Any other question? Any other questions? If you are interested in copy trading, there is a free option that I've pinned there. Okay. So if you want the free copy trading, you tap that link. Once you are done depositing $100, just DM me. I will link up. I will link you to that guy. Okay. For mine, I do paid copy trading because you guys steal from me a lot. So guys, let me come to Wealth Hub FX. If you have anything like copy trading, if you tap services, okay, account management, copy trading, you view more. Okay, you can see your money is sitting at the beach. Yeah, you get started now. Okay, or you choose whatever you want. So Wealth Hub FX Global. What else? Lot size calculator is here. About the broker, come here, compare different brokers. Okay. You can do this, you can do this, you can do this, you can do that. So basically, top forex broker. So you can come here, compare the brokers. You can also learn to trade crypto. Yeah. So here you can always get updates of every Monday. See, every Monday you'll get an update. So basically here you can always get an update of the market insights, weekly insights. Okay. So every Monday it's good you come here, you'll get a breakdown of, and you can log in so that you can have access to newsletters and all that and all that. Yes. Anything else I've mentioned? Thank you, Blessing. Basically, rejection una identify rejection, alafu una identify engulfing for entry. Evelyn Muimi, how to join copy trading? You can inbox me for that. A specific time to trade nimesema ni London session and New York session. I made a video about that. It's good. You can, if you feel like, you can go rewatch. So guys, see, we finish. I'm my people. Everything is good. Yeah. Eagle tutamenyana nayo hadi kubali. So guys, we call it a day. How do you put stop loss? In the breaker block, in 5 minutes time frame, it is accompanied with fair value. I think the price will bounce there. I like this J guy. To a book comment in the Telegram group, I will follow you. Like the video, guys. Do yeah, I like the video. Like the video. Thank you, guys. How do you put a stop loss? How do you put a stop loss? You go to MT5. So tupatane Telegram for mwenye hajui kuweka stop loss. Yes, if you have that Thrive account, you are going to get copy trading for free. Rudi hapo kwa lot calculation. Lot calculation, search World Hub FX Global. Okay? You don't need to sign up. Na hapa mbona hajaweka picha ujamaa wangu wako code. Acha nimtumie, mbona hajaweka picha. Hapa nafaa weke picha smart. Haya. You go to Wealth Hub FX and then you will see a lot size calculator. Then look for deviations, taking the lows for the continuation of the uptrend. Now that we have broken external liquidity, we can exempt some consolidation at it. I don't understand that. Then look for deviation. Hey, guys, tuonaneni. Thank you guys for joining. Have a lovely day. We meet on Monday. $10 to $9,000. We said on Monday. We don't have an option because tomorrow is Saturday. Which broker do you use for corporate trading? The one that I've pinned the link here. Okay, in the charts. So see you guys. See you. Unaweza replay video. Have a nice day, guys.